Hi there, I'm Paul Yateman, a scientist by day and among other things an artist by night. Here I draw stuff, spaceships, still life, original characters, life drawing, creatures and mystical beasties. In these videos I tend to show the post-thumbnailing drawing process resulting in a completed work. That typically involves a grey or blue pencil sketch, inking with fine liner, perhaps a scan of the intermediate work, and finally colouring using markers, pencil and sometimes Photoshop. Mostly I offer these up as time-lapse. Mostly. Now and then I'll live stream, sometimes I'll show the video at normal speed for its entirety, so that's 60 minutes of fun, not much talking. If this sounds like something that would float your boat or provide you with inspiration, sketch ideas or instruction, activate the subscribe button and hit like right now. Also, comment with feedback or requests. Okay, let's see where I'm up to in the time-lapse. Doing fine liner on top of grey lead here. So for this drawing I flipped through a fancy artist book and decided to draw something similar. And also tried to draw the whiskers with a brush pen, so hard. Where'd that cricket come from? Hard pressing on the paper and then coming off light as we go along. So thicker at the bottom and hopefully skinnier at the top. And for this one what I did is after I added all the brush pen to give it some depth of drawing, I'm pretty sure I scanned this one in before I added the colour, which is something I like to do because that means if you screw up the colour or you want to do different colour schemes later, you've always got the base drawing there. It can be helpful for, say, pulling the line art out of Photoshop or just doing different colouring. But I think this one worked out okay. And with some skin tones for obviously lips and teeth, and I went for, I think, browns and greys for the rest of the body. Might be mistaken here. What do you think about when I do this sort of drawing and I show the Copic marker colour, like E35 now? I think it was E33 before. Do you find that sort of stuff useful, or do you just want to wing things if you were trying to draw some lines based on what I've done? One downside I do find of using typical sketch pads, Copic markers, is they suck ink. Markers going for a lot of pens really fast, and like $6 to $8 a pop. That gets expensive, even with ink. So with shading wise, once you've done the main coloration, you can also go back and add like greys to do shadows rather than different colours within the same sort of palette. So like instead of browns and skin tones, greys and stuff. Well, that all depends on sort of how stark or bold you're trying to make the drawing. So, what do you think? How would you have drawn this? Let me know your thoughts or ideas in the comments. If you have found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to draw on your own sketchbook, or any fun stuff like that, subscribe to my channel, like this video and consider sharing it. Ideally, share it. If you were inspired to draw, share with me your creation in the comments or by tagging me on social media. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care and happy drawing.